Subaru Corporation, driving innovation, safety, and adventure. Subaru Corporation, formerly known as Fuji Heavy Industries, is a renowned Japanese automaker that has carved a unique niche in the automotive industry. Founded in 1953, Subaru is recognized for its dedication to innovation, safety, and all-wheel drive technology. This comprehensive essay explores the multifaceted aspects of Subaru Corporation, including its history, corporate structure, key brands, technological advancements, sustainability initiatives, global impact, and future prospects. Founding and early years. Subaru's origins can be traced back to the Aircraft Research Laboratory, founded in 1917. The company initially focused on aircraft manufacturing before venturing into the automotive industry with the launch of the Subaru 360 in the 1950s. The Subaru brand emerges. The Subaru brand was officially introduced in 1954 with the Subaru 360, a compact car that played a pivotal role in post-war Japan's motorization. All-wheel drive pioneers. Subaru established itself as a pioneer in all-wheel drive (AWD) technology with the introduction of the Subaru Leone in the 1970s, setting the stage for its unique positioning in the automotive market. Corporate structure and key brands. Subaru Corporation operates with a straightforward corporate structure, overseeing the Subaru brand and its subsidiaries, including Subaru Technica International, STI. Key automotive brands. Subaru's primary brand is Subaru itself, known for its lineup of vehicles that include sedans, SUVs, and performance-oriented models like the Subaru WRX and Subaru BRZ. Technological advancements. Automotive innovations. Subaru has a history of automotive innovations, with a strong focus on AWD technology, boxer engines, and the symmetrical all-wheel drive system. Models like the Subaru Outback and Subaru Forester exemplify Subaru's commitment to rugged and versatile vehicles. Safety and driver assistance. Subaru is at the forefront of safety technology, offering the EyeSight driver assist technology that includes features like adaptive cruise control and pre-collision braking. The Subaru Global Platform (SGP) further enhances safety and vehicle dynamics. Advanced boxer engine. Subaru's signature boxer engine design, with horizontally opposed pistons, contributes to the brand's unique driving characteristics and balanced weight distribution. Sustainability initiatives. Environmental commitment. Subaru has set ambitious environmental goals, including a commitment to achieve carbon neutrality throughout its global operations by 2050. The company actively invests in reducing emissions, sustainable manufacturing, and recycling initiatives. Electric vehicle investment. Subaru is making strides in electric vehicle development, with plans to launch electric models in the near future. The Subaru Solterra, a fully electric SUV developed in partnership with Toyota, showcases the company's commitment to sustainable mobility. Social responsibility. Subaru Corporation engages in various social responsibility initiatives, including support for education, environmental conservation, and community engagement. The Subaru Share the Love program, for instance, donates a portion of each vehicle sale to charitable causes. Global manufacturing and sales. Subaru Corporation operates in over 100 countries, with manufacturing facilities, research and development centers, and a network of dealerships worldwide. The company's global presence contributes significantly to the automotive market. Subaru has a notable economic impact, providing employment opportunities, supporting local economies, and contributing to technological advancement in regions where it operates. Subaru's manufacturing facilities in the United States, for example, have played a crucial role in job creation and economic development. Social responsibility. Subaru Corporation places a strong emphasis on social responsibility, actively participating in disaster relief efforts, promoting diversity and inclusion, and fostering community engagement. The Subaru Love Promise initiative embodies the company's commitment to giving back to society. Electrification and sustainable mobility. Subaru is committed to advancing electrification and sustainable mobility, with plans to expand its lineup of electric and hybrid models in the coming years. The Subaru Levorg Hybrid and Solterra represent the company's dedication to reducing its environmental footprint. Subaru's commitment to innovation positions it for continued success and leadership in the automotive industry. The Subaru Technology Innovation Research Center and collaborations with technology companies demonstrate the company's dedication to staying at the forefront of technological advancements. In conclusion, Subaru Corporation's remarkable journey from its early beginnings to its current status as an automotive and technology leader reflects its unwavering commitment to innovation, safety, and sustainability. With a rich history, a strong brand portfolio, groundbreaking technologies, and a global impact, Subaru is well positioned to continue shaping the future of the automotive and mobility industries. Through its dedication to customer satisfaction, engineering excellence, and responsible corporate practices, Subaru Corporation remains a trusted and influential force in the automotive world, poised for continued growth and innovation in the years to come.